Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 easy Rakhi making ideas which can be made in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First we will make this simple and elegant beads Rakhi. Take a wire and fold its one end like I'm doing here. Now insert the beads. After inserting all the beads, हम थोड़ा सा वायर काट देंगे अगर वो बड़ा हो तो एंड दूसरे एंड को भी फोल्ड कर देंगे लाइक दिस। अब मैं क्यूट सा स्टिकर लूँगी और वुडन बीड्स पे हॉट ग्लू से चिपकाऊंगी। हॉट ग्लू से हम इसलिए चिपकाएंगे ताकि वो थोड़ा स्ट्रांगली चिपक जाए। If you want, you can also write something on wooden bead instead of using sticker. अब हम दो सेम लेंथ के थ्रेड काटेंगे। Now we'll take one thread, fold it in half and insert in the hole of wire like I'm doing here. And then we will make a knot like this. Do the same thing on the other side and we are done with our first Rakhi. Next we will be making Pom Pom Rakhi for the Dhinchak bhai. Take a circle piece of cardboard or chart paper or any thick paper. Now with the help of hot glue, I'll be sticking this pom pom lace all around the circle. After this, stick all the decoration like flower and then pom-pom and then mirror, and then we will be done with this Rakhi as well. Now turn it upside down to attach a lace to it. Apply a drop of hot glue in the center, keep the lace on it and then apply a piece of masking tape on this to stick the lace firmly on the Rakhi. And our old traditional Dhinchak colorful Pom Pom Rakhi is ready. I hope you like it. And the third one is Doodle Rakhi, which I am making for my brother because he is a huge Bollywood fan and he also wants to become an actor. This Rakhi is customizable to whatever your bhai likes, like music or acting, dancing. You can customize it by doodling the related image on the Rakhi. Take any colorful paper in the background and doodle with black pen or marker. It will look very nice. Like I have taken here this watercolor print paper in the background and I am doodling movie, like the take sign of the movie, and I'll also write his favorite movie names on the border of this circle. But first we will attach the lace like we did in the second Rakhi. I think this Rakhi turned out really cute and it took literally less than 5 minutes for making this. I hope you like this video and you will make some customized Rakhi for your brother this time. Hit that like button if you like this video, comment down below your thoughts on it, subscribe kar dena agar nahi kiya ho to, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative and happy Rakshabandhan to all the lovely brothers and sisters out there. Bye.